Hello and welcome back. In the last video, we installed this dragon burner on the Voron 0.2. And with that, we learned that the Tophat was too short. So today, we're going to take these 3D prints here and install it on the Tophat to make it taller. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's go ahead and disassemble the top square of the Tophat. Okay, now I'm going to take off these 8 corner pieces. Okay, now that these 8 pieces are off, I'm going to remove these 4 top crossbars. Okay, next I'm going to fully remove these 2 screws. Okay, so what we're going to do now is recreate the top square. So using the corner piece, I'm going to make sure I have my preloaded nut here and here, facing the outside and up. And we're using the same screws, attach it. Okay, on the bottom of each of these, we're going to preload 2 M3 nuts. There are the 4 nuts preloaded. Now we'll make the square. Okay, here is that top square. I'm going to move this off to the side. And we're going to come back to this. Let's go ahead and install these side plates. Okay, so that didn't really go as planned, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and just make the front and the back. Okay, so here's the panel extensions. Okay, so I'm going to attach these 8 spots with some M3 by 6mm. Okay, so now we can go ahead and install this in here. Okay, so I'm going to utilize some M3 by 8mm long bolts to attach this top metal piece into the tops of those extrusions. Okay, so now we're going to attach these parts to the extrusion. The last thing is just to install this top piece of acrylic. And that will reutilize the same 3D prints from earlier and all of the same screws. Okay, so here is the top hat all completed. I do really enjoy this 3D print because I didn't have to purchase any new panels. I could just 3D print this on the big Voron that I have, and that would take up the space there. And it does mate pretty well down here. So let's go ahead and go back over to the printer and get this on there. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out these 2 screws because I put them back in here so I didn't lose them. Okay, let's go ahead and set this on. Okay, that has been set on there. I'm going to put the 2 screws in the 2 sides for the hinge. Okay, here is the new top hat. And if you see here, it still goes back and it looks pretty good. Looks like my Voron tube is just to the top of the top, which is pretty good, but this is just the right height that I needed for this tool head. This was a really nice mod to add to my Voron. It didn't need any extra parts to be purchased. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.